Adaptive Goddess, and today I will be continuing my series on DBT skills with a start to interpersonal effectiveness. So interpersonal effectiveness is the last module of DBT that is taught. And it's kind of how we relate to each other, because we don't live in personal vacuums. Sometimes it would be great if we did, but we don't. We have to interact and get along with others on a daily basis. And we have to be able to have successful interactions with others so that we get what we want without making other people mad at us. Because then we won't always get what we want. And so these interpersonal effective skills help with heading off problems, not letting problems build up and create resentment, solving conflict, ending hopeless or harmful relationships successfully, balancing personal priorities versus other people's demands of us, so getting help or saying no to unwanted or harmful demands, influencing others, building up self-respect through social interaction, so standing up for yourself successfully, being taken seriously, resisting unwanted or harmful influences, doing what is right, and following wise mind. And so there are 3 basic skills that are taught in interpersonal effectiveness. And it is summarized by the acronym Dear Man Gives Fast, or Dear Man Give Fast. And so Dear Man is the acronym that helps with getting someone to do what you want. Give is about keeping and maintaining healthy relationships. And Fast is about maintaining self-respect. And it is with these skills that we are able to thrive in society. And so these skills are not to make us people pleasers or blindly compliant or staying in harmful relationships. They really help us be able to survey a social situation we're in, making wise mind decisions, making sure that we are true to ourselves and getting what we want at the same time. So these skills you can add your personal flair or personal touch as you learn or practice or use them in the real world. These are really just a step-by-step instruction on how to get along with people, or how do you ask for what you want, or how do you make sure that you are saying no while still maintaining your self-respect. That way you aren't harming any relationships that you still want to have. Because for me, that was one of the biggest things, is when I was diagnosed, I didn't have other resources. I needed a step-by-step of how do I say no to people without burning the bridge? How do I maintain the healthy relationship? And how do I ask for things that I need while also keeping my own sanity and avoiding harmful situations that could get me hurt? And so I found this to be really, really helpful and successful, and a true step-by-step, here's the process of what you do, regardless of what the people say in the situation. It's kind of like that tree where you have the first thing and then you say, if this happens, you do this. If this happens, you do that. But it's kind of if either one happens, it stays the same. So, comment down below, what is your most successful skill that you've learned that helps you kind of deal with other people? Mine definitely was Dear Man, and maybe Fast, because those were kind of the harder ones for me to really enact and practice. because it's so easy to be a people pleaser, or it's so easy not to ask for help, or it's so easy to be told, no, this isn't going to go your way, when having your way is actually perfectly reasonable thing to have. So yeah, what is your most successful interpersonal skill? That is it for the video. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and gently tap that like button. And remember to be kind, compassionate, and true to you.